So I'm going to check out these Kit Kats. These are the two, what do they call them, duos with mint and dark chocolate. So I like to try things that are dark chocolate. I can handle the mint, and I'm okay with Kit Kats. So let's check them out. They come in this pack of individually wrapped packs, with 4 in each one. And I've had Kit Kats plenty of times, and I'm pretty sure I've had a dark chocolate Kit Kat. Never the mint one, I don't think. So we'll check it out. Oh, I didn't realize it's got the green chocolate on top. Kind of cool looking. All right, the mint it's there. It's not overwhelming. It's all right. It's not a strong mint. You definitely get the cookies in there, and I'm not sure, how I feel about the cookies in there. And then the chocolate, it's sweet, so it's better than the milk chocolate version would be. I don't know if I would try this again. I'm going to keep trying different dark chocolate Kit Kats. I'm not sure if I dig this much mint. I think if they would have made it about 2/3 dark chocolate and just 1/3 mint, I would have liked it a little better. I think this is about half and half. So it is minty, but it's a kind of mint that I just don't enjoy as much, I guess, is the way to describe it. But I think this could be pretty refreshing for somebody, like an after dinner mint with a little bit more substance. So I hope this helps.